Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a really quick and easy updo on naturally curly hair. As you can see, my model has the most beautiful mermaidy waves, but this would work on curlier hair too. To start, we're going to divide the hair into 3 equal sections and then pop each one of those sections into a ponytail at the nape of the neck using a clear elastic band. So you should have 3 small ponytails, and then starting on that middle one, divide it in half and loosely wrap the sections around one another to create a twist. Secure it with another elastic band at the end and then gently pinch and pull at that twist for a little bit more volume and texture. And all we're going to do is take the ends of that twist, wrap it around the base of the ponytail, tucking the ends underneath, and then securing it all the way around the outside of that little bun we've just made with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to repeat on the left hand side. So create your twist, apply your elastic band and pinch and pull the twist apart. And again we're going to wrap that twist around the base of the ponytail, making sure we tuck the ends underneath. And we're going to position this slightly overlapping that middle bun and again secure with as many bobby pins as needed. I like to keep my pins closed. And we're just going to repeat it one more time on the right hand side. So create your twist, pinch and pull for some texture and wrap it around itself, tucking the ends underneath. Then position this slightly overlapping that middle bun and secure with a few more pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.